Welcome viewers, hope you are doing great. In today's video I am going to show you on how to install Python. There are different ways to install Python. One is using the Anaconda package distribution and another way is to use the exe file that is directly available in python.org, which I call it as direct install. We'll see both the ways. To start with, I'll show you how to install Python using Anaconda package distribution. You can go to anaconda.com and you'll see different editions of Anaconda. You'll have to select the individual edition and click download now. You'll be redirected to one another page. Hit download over there as well. Now here you can select the version of Python that you wanted to install. I am going to select Python 3.7 and the exe starts downloading. It will take some time. So now the exe is in my desktop. I am just double clicking it. And I'm hitting next. I'm agreeing to the terms and conditions of the license, and then I'm just using the option just for me, which is recommended, and I'm going to select the default directory and the installation begins. You can just follow the prompts and complete the installation. In reality, this installation will take a little bit more time. Once you hit the installation finish button, the installation completes and a couple of Anaconda web pages opens. You can pay attention to it later if needed. Now you are all done with the Anaconda install. I am just typing Anaconda in my Windows search bar and I get the Anaconda Navigator. It's just opening. So Anaconda Navigator is going to house different types of Python IDEs, and this is going to become very handy when you wanted to do development related to either artificial intelligence or data science. So we'll just see more details in a bit. So here you see the Anaconda Navigator and you can see the different integrated development environments available for Python. I'm just going to show you a couple of IDEs. First, to start with Jupyter Notebook. So this is a browser based IDE. I am just opening it. Here you can see all the root folders that are there in my directory. What I'm going to do is just to create a new Python notebook. And I'll just do a hello world program. Here in Python you can also just use this as a calculator. Whatever number you type along with the signs in between, you can just use that as a calculator, as you can see over here. Let me just do one more bit of program. I just hit run and you see the results over there. You can also save this notebook. For saving, you can just go to file, save as, and then in that prompt you can just give the file name and hit enter or save. So I have given the file name as test. and here you can see my file is stored. From the navigator you can also launch the command prompt. As you can see, I am just launching it and then I'm just typing Python to get the version of Python that we are currently using. You can also launch Jupyter Labs, which is similar to Jupyter Notebooks. So here you can select the version of Python that you wanted to use. I am using Python 3. And I'm just typing a hello world program for you. You can run the code by hitting the play button and you can see the results beneath. Next I'm going to show you Spyder, which is one of the popular Python integrated development environments. I have just hit launch and I'm waiting for the IDE to open up. So here you are able to see the window, the IDE, and I'm just going to type the hello world program for you. And then I'm going to click the green button to run the program, and here you in the right side you can see the console and you can see the outcome of the hello world program. So far we have seen how to install Python using the Anaconda package distribution, and I have shown you a simple program on how it works with the different IDEs that is supported by Anaconda. Now we are going to see how to install Python using the exe file that is available in the python.org website, and I will also show you a simple program after installing the exe. You can go to python.org, click the downloads tab, and you will get the latest version of Python available for install. Here it is Python 3.8.2. I have just clicked it and the download has started. If you would have noticed, earlier in the Anaconda we had installed Python 3.7. Now here we are going to install Python 3.8. So the download has completed and I'm just double clicking the exe and I'm just selecting the default option to install. It will take some time to complete the install. So the setup is done and I'm just typing Windows and I'm selecting idle. Idle is the Python shell that comes along with this package, and if you see it's showing the version of Python as Python 3.8.2. I have selected file and then I have selected a new file. I am just typing the hello world line. I cannot run this line without saving it, so I am just saving it with a name into my desktop. And I am just selecting the run module and you can see the cell prompt displaying the outcome of the program. Pretty much we have completed this video. Hope this was useful to you. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much.